Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to install Google Docs on desktop. So you can install it as a desktop app using browser like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. So this creates a standalone window that behaves like a regular app. So let's install it using Google Chrome. So open Google Chrome, then let's search for Google Docs. Then click the first one that appears. Make sure it's the official website. So once opened, on the right side at the top, click the three dots, then scroll down and select Cast, Save, and Share. Then from the options, click Install Page as App. Then you can rename it if you want to, then click Install to confirm the action. After that, Google Docs will open in its own window and can be pinned to your taskbar or Start menu. So after installing, you can right click the Google Apps icon in the taskbar, just like so, and click Pin to Taskbar. You can also search it in the Start menu. So click the Start menu and search for Google Docs in here. Then you can right click on it and select Pin to Taskbar. So you can use Google Docs offline by enabling offline mode in Google Drive and set it up in advance while you're connected to the internet. If you want to uninstall this, just click the three dots in the top right, then click Uninstall Docs. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.